Hi there, welcome to our first in a series, Colorstrology, celebrating the colour palette of Pagoda Blue. So today we're going to be concentrating on wedding work, and I'm going to be creating a pomander. Now this is quite an unusual pomander. It's kind of a quirky, lightweight design, and it's a really unique way to introduce a colour that I have to admit proven really difficult to source in natural varieties. So it's perfect for the bride that really wants to introduce something completely different for her special day. And its rustic appearance really lends itself to either an outdoor wedding or a barn scenario possibly. So I'm going to be using Scabious stellata. I've got a 9cm dry foam sphere. I've got 15mm wide satin ribbon. Now this particular one is turquoise. That's actually as close as we can get to Pagoda Blue. And in actual fact, I'd say it replicates Pagoda Blue almost perfectly. Then from your floristry toolkit, just a pair of scissors, some green stub wires and some rose wires. So enjoy! So I hope that's inspired you to have a go yourselves. All of the products that I've used today can be found on our website. That's www.trianglenursery.co.uk. And as always, I have some top tips for you. So top tip, number one, this could actually be used as a pew end decoration, or perhaps as a chair back decoration, or even a Christmas bauble. Top tip number two, you could make this well in advance and store it sort of carefully and away from direct light. Top tip number three, you could actually give this away as a sort of quirky keepsake after the event. And then top tip number four, why not all get together before the wedding with your bridesmaids and perhaps have a hen day and create them yourselves? Then the bridesmaids have actually made their own bouquet or pomander to carry. Now, I've actually used fresh Scabious stellata here. but it will actually dry even though I've popped it into a dry foam sphere. So don't worry about that, they will dry naturally. Alright, so get subscribing and go over to our YouTube channel. There's lots more tips, hints and inspirational ideas for things for you to create for yourselves. And like us, share us and follow us on Instagram. Most importantly, don't forget to comment because we love to get your feedback. Thanks for watching, we'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.